Hello students, how are you? Today we will discuss some properties of base. First of all, we will discuss physical property. First property is taste. Bases are bitter in taste, means not tasty. That means that taste of bases is bitter. Second is feeling of touch. Bases give a feeling of soapy touch. For example, when you rub a drop of sodium hydroxide solution between the tips of our finger, they give us feeling of slippery. हमें ऐसा फील होगा our fingers क्या हो रही है, slip हो रही हैं. Third one is effect of indicators. Bases when react with red litmus paper, they convert into blue color, and when they react with methyl orange, then the orange color is converted into yellow, and when phenolphthalein, then colorless solution convert into pink. Fourth is electrical conductivity. Basic solution conduct electricity. Solid bases are not conduct electricity, but basic solutions जो उनके solutions हैं bases के, that are conduct electricity. Next one is chemical properties. First chemical property is reaction of bases with metal. When bases react with metal, again they form salt plus hydrogen gas. Here sodium hydroxide is a base, zinc is a metal, and we get sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Sodium zincate is a type of salt. And same when aluminum metal react with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium meta aluminate, that is a type of salt plus hydrogen gas. Second property, when base react with acid, we know that when acid react with base, salt plus water are formed. Similarly, when base react with acid, salt plus water are formed. Here sodium hydroxide is a base, HCl is a acid. When both are react, sodium chloride is formed, that is salt plus water is formed. Third reaction is reaction of bases with non-metal oxides. When base react with non-metallic oxides such as carbon dioxide to give salt plus water, when base react करती हैं non-metal oxides के साथ, then salt and water are formed. Like here one example, sodium hydroxide is a base and carbon dioxide is a gas. When both are react, sodium carbonate is formed, that is a type of salt plus water. Similarly, when calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, we get calcium carbonate plus water, and this reaction is similar to the when base react with acid, that is a type of neutralization reaction. So non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Behavior of bases in water. When base react with water, there is hydroxyl ion or hydroxide ions, that is OH negative ions. Next is classification of bases. Strong bases. The bases which completely ionize to give hydroxide ion means or hydroxyl ions are called strong bases. For example, sodium hydroxide and KOH are strong bases because they are completely ionized and produce OH negative ions when they are react with water. Weak bases. The bases which ionize only a small extent in water to give hydroxide ions or hydroxyl ions, that are known as weak bases. Here some ammonium hydroxide is a weak base, like when they react with water only some OH ions or hydroxyl ions are produced. That's why they are known as weak bases. Here is a table. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are strong bases. Ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and copper hydroxides are weak bases. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are strong bases, but ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and copper hydroxides are weak bases. Here are some uses of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is used in manufacturing of soap, paper, synthetic fiber and petroleum refining. And second base is potassium hydroxide. It is used in battery and soft soaps. Third is calcium hydroxide. It is also type of base. It is used in manufacturing of bleaching powder, softening of hot water. Fourth one is base is magnesium hydroxide. It is used as antacid to neutralize the excess acid in stomach and to cure indigestion. Fifth one is ammonium hydroxide, that is used to remove grease stains from the cloth. So these are some uses of base. Thank you. I hope you understood.